American 1119, correction, Envoy 4181, slide the runway heading, remain this frequency, runway 10 left from Delta Delta, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 10 left, Delta Delta, runway heading, Envoy 4181.
Envoy 3603, stop your climb. Envoy 3603, turn right immediately, heading 140.
Right, 140, Envoy 3603.
Envoy 3603, maintain 5,000.
Second for Envoy 3603.
Maintain 5,000, Envoy 3603.
5,000, Envoy 3603.
Envoy 3603, contact Chicago departure on frequency 12, actually remain this frequency, Envoy 3603.
Remain this frequency, Envoy 3603.
And Envoy 3603, possible pilot deviation, be ready to copy a number here to call the tower once you're able to.
Yeah, ready to copy, Envoy 3603.
It's 773.
773.
Envoy 3603, contact departure 12662.